Hey ho again, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Hands On with BLG. I am BLG. I am Lefty. I am Righty. We're back in the kitchen. Today is going to be, it's been a while, another episode of Fast Easy Bar Snacks. Hooray, hooray. And you're going to love this little treat. Today we're going to do barbecue chicken hearts in the crock pot. That's right, chicken hearts. So hop down here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I said a boot. Here we go. We have a cutting board. Cha! Right down, cha, ja la da ra da. Cutting board. Here we have 1.5 pounds of chicken hearts. See? Chicken hearts. They look like this. Nice little chicken hearts. This little white part here, I don't really care much for. It gets a little tough when you cook them. So I just go through and trim them. It's like that. I'm going to throw them in the crock pot right there. Little fat parts here, just trim it off. See? Nice. I'm going to throw them in the crock pot. Quick and easy. Just like that, crock pot. See, you got all these little fat chunks over here. One more. See? Nice. So we're going to trim up the rest of this little 1.5 pounds. Some of you guys can't get chicken hearts. I can get them sometimes at the food outlet. I keep a look, and when I can find them at the food outlet, I usually score 2 packets real quick and freeze them up. And then when I want chicken hearts, I have them on hand. Chicken hearts. Hand. Want to see me crap out a chicken heart? Lefty, the magician. Watch this. Watch this. Ready? I poop my heart out for you. Yep, that's a chicken heart. BLG, you want to cut that? Righty? Grab the knife. I'll hold the motherfucker down. Trimmed. We'll be back when we get this done. And I'll show you what I'm going to throw in there. Not responding, Captain. Just no responding. Not responding. Alrighty, folks. We are back. Ha! Told you it wouldn't take long. We have trimmed the hearts. Here is the trimmages. Right-cha. These are going to go in the freezer, and they may become crab bait chunks. Why not? You know what I mean? Don't put them in the freezer. And just like that. And if we look over here in the crock pot, like this, right-cha, and we have our trimmed chicken hearts. Lovely. Lovely. Look at that. Now what we're going to put in here, some pepper. I like pepper. Put some pepper in here. Put a little bit of some salt. A pinch of. Some onion powder. And we're going to put some garlic powder. Just like that up in there. Oh, that smells good. No? I like garlic powder. I'm going to put some Lowry's seasoned salt. A pinch of. Something like that. Smack some Sweet Baby Ray's, some barbecue sauce in here. Let's try to get the lid off. Smack some of this up in here. Not too much. You want to just get it up in there to coat them up real good. Like so. Barbecue, barbecue. I'm going to get me a little wooden stirry thingy. Stir these around real good here. That looks good. Now, I'm going to put just a little bit of water in here. A little bit of water. Keep everything from burning down. Looks about good. About like that. Right there. Good looking. I'm going to smack the lid on this. And I'm going to take it over there. Because the stupid outlet doesn't reach on the island. So I'm going to take it over here. Move this out the way. Yeah, move out the way. Turn on the light over here. And I'm going to plug this in back here. And I'm just going to kick that on low. Just like that. And I'm going to stir it every now and then. and let that sit on low, probably somewhere around an hour and a half, 2 hours, and I'll show you what they look like when they get done. Yeah, just start this like right now. It's 9, 11 is beer time usually, 10:30 or 11 here. So I'll have barbecue chicken hearts for bar snack today. Yes, I will. I love them things. You love them things. Bar snack, chicken heart. Ah. Okie dokie, folks. It is now about 10:15. These have been going for about an hour and 20 minutes on low in the crock pot. They're done. So let's have a peek here. Shut that off. Get this over here where we can take a look. Get all set up like this. Yes, yes. Let's have a look and see what we got. Right, Get some of these. And the barbecue sauce won't be real thick on them. Look at that. That, folks, is what you want in your face with a couple of cold frosty beers. Look at this. Boom. Beautiful. Move that over to there. There you have it, folks. A wonderful and delicious plate of the chicken hearts. There you go. Look at that. And yes, they're good. But BLG, you don't even eat those. That's good stuff. Quick, easy bar snack. Got a little zip to it from the seasonings on top with the barbecue sauce, and there you go. Good stuff. So, hope you enjoyed the episode. Make you some chicken hearts. One last look. Look at that. So, for Hands On with BLG, for BLG, I am BLG. I am Lefty. I am Righty. Catch you guys in the next episode. Oh, hang on. Remember the little no-flour chocolate chip cookies that I told you how to make yesterday? That's what they look like. Just neat little, I put the M&Ms in there. Chocolatey chip cookies. The dingo is looking at me. Dingo says, oi. He's not supposed to have chocolate. So anyways, that's it for this episode, folks. I'm going to go into the man cave and download a new editing program and see if I can figure that one out pretty easy, and how much better luck I have than using that stupid shortcut that crashes all the time. He looks so sad. Do you need a chicken heart? Huh?
Regular cookie.
What if he wants a chicken heart?
Well, or that.
Watch this. See? Even the dingo approves. Chicken heart? That's good raw fed dinkum there, mate. Thank you, dingo. Anyways, that's it for this episode. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Until then, peace out, people. Just fucking peace out for me, okay? Thank you to the new subscribers. And we're up to 235. 235 as of this morning. Very good. See you. Goodbye. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.